Hey Griffins, this is Josh from Residential Life. Today I want to walk you through how to submit a room change request. You'll use this form anytime you want to move rooms, move buildings, or even move in with a friend. So the first thing you'll want to do is head to goldlink.missouriwestern.edu, log into your GoldLink account, and click on the Student Life tab. That's the tab with the headphones. You'll then navigate to My Housing Information. This might look a little familiar, especially if you just did your housing application. But instead of doing the application, we are going to head over to Room Management right here. At the bottom of this tab is a room change request. You'll want to click on that. This form is super simple. It's basically entering which hall you want to go to and why you want to go there. So say I currently live in Scanlon, but I really want to live in Leverton. So I just type Leverton in the requested hall. And then if I want to live with a friend, they have an open spot in their room, I can add the specific room number. So say I want to live in 2015. Then I'm going to add a reason for a change and my preferred contact information. So I want to live with my friend Max Griffin. Contact me via phone at, and then my updated phone number. So remember that we do need a reason for a change and your preferred contact information so we can get a hold of you and the hall director knows why you want to switch rooms. After you have completed that, you will hit the submit request button and you'll see this green message, your room change request was submitted. That is it. That room change request will go to the hall director of the building you want to move into. They will review the request, and when we are able to accommodate that move, they will reach out to you via your preferred contact information. So it might not be immediately due to limited space, but they will get back to you. We look forward to showing you more features of our housing system in the future, and have a good semester, Griffins.